everybody. Well, it's that time of the month again when we head out to PKRA for race number 8. Today it is going to be hotter than you know what. Look at that temperature right there. I'm inside my truck and it's 115 degrees inside the truck. So I figured I'd show that off today. But anyways, we're going to be asking everybody at PKRA, what do they do to prepare for a race like today? If it's 110 to 115 degrees outside, could you imagine how hot it's going to be in the pits, on the track? The asphalt's got to be out of this world. So anyways, we're going to be walking the pits. We're going to be doing a lot of interviews with several people. We're hoping for a great turnout. This is race number 8. Like I said, there's 2 more races to go. They'll be in the month of, I believe, September. I don't think we have any races in October. And after the last race of the season, within a couple weeks, will be the Super Showdown. And I'll get you more information about that shortly. And we'll probably talk to Rich Bowen today and see if we get any more details about who's showing up, what kind of talk's been going on, and hopefully we'll have a great turnout for the Super Showdown for 2019. Anyways, I'm going to head off to the track. It's a little hot. I got to make a couple stops along the way, and I'll see you at the track shortly. PKRA, it is just one hell of a hot day, but I think we still have about 60 drivers on the grid. Not a bad day. So we're going to sneak in and talk to Paul. Got any words for the people that didn't show up today?
We're going to have a lot of fun, and as soon as the sun goes down, it really is still pretty nice out here.
Isn't it? It's not bad. It's got a little breeze tonight.
Yep.
Thanks, Paul.
So next Friday evening, we're going down to Tucson, and Saturday is going to be practice all day, a race, a free transponder, and a barbecue for $80.
And that's on the 23rd, which is
24th.
Friday. The 24th is Saturday.
24th is practice and a race down
and that's down in Tucson.
Yep.
Thanks, Paul.
Shifter special.
Thanks. I go talk to Micah Hendricks and find out what Micah Hendricks is doing today to stay cool.
Water.
Water. Just
cool.
water? What do you got to say to all your fellow competitors that didn't show up today to race against you?
Kind of heartbroken a little bit. I might shed a few tears tonight, but I'll probably get over it.
So who's this sitting next to you?
This is Carly.
All drivers should be in the shade right next to the A grid.
Go-kart anytime
All
soon?
drivers should be in the shade.
She would not be opposed whatsoever to that.
Look at that smile, guys. See, when you find the right girl and you mention go-kart, she smiles.
What can I say?
Wow. Welcome to the track. Welcome to the family.
Thank you.
I'm Scott. How you doing? I see one of my favorite little guys walking toward me. At our last race, we were talking crap. And this little guy pulled it off. He said he was going to pull a first place, and he did. So, what's the prediction tonight?
I'm going to pull off first place again.
You're going to pull off a first place again?
Yep.
All right. Are you sure?
Yep.
You're going to do it like you did last time? Last time it was awesome. Last time during the heat race, you let him go by. You thought he was all big man on campus, and you smoked him in the main event. That was awesome. So you're going to do it again?
Well, not exactly, but I will still beat him.
That's all that matters. Are you in number 1 for the points?
Yep.
Okay, keep going. We're proud of you. Talk to you soon. That's Mr. Kyle Drysdale. That little guy can drive. Hey everybody, well I qualified number 6 tonight. Definitely a little disappointed. Pulled the carburetor off, cleaned it all out, pulled the spark plug out, cleaned that out, checked my valve timing and stuff like that, checked the valve lash. Everything seems to be good. I'm not sure what the deal is. The tires appear to be holding well. The air pressure's good. The temperatures are coming down now that the sun's gone down. It's about 110 degrees today. Definitely a hot one. But qualifying number 6 sucks. Rich Bowen qualifies right next to me. I think Curtis and Rich are on the front row. Just not doing well tonight. Have no excuses. Haven't practiced in the last 3 weeks to a month. This is all on me. Basically, this is what happens when you don't practice. This is what happens when you're not one with the go-kart. Lately, I've just had too many extracurricular activities to take care of. Nobody's fault. I take responsibility. But we're going to go out and see what we can do for the heat race. I want to introduce you guys to a really fantastic dude. His name is Clayton. He just got his engineering degree. I'm very proud of you. Clayton, when he first came to work at PKRA, Clayton was a little timid. But you know what? This guy don't put up with shit anymore. And I'm proud of him for it. If you got to come to PKRA, you're going to play by the rules. Otherwise, this guy's going to get you. Thanks for making everybody safe, Clayton. We appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. But tell me, it's 110 degrees today. You made it to the track.
Yes.
What are you doing to stay cool?
Nothing.
What do you got to say to all these people that didn't show up because it's too hot?
I'm jealous.
You're jealous. I can tell that you're up relaxing while dear old dad over there is sweating. What are you doing to stay cool?
Fan and reclining chair.
What do you got to say to all your friends, all your fellow racers that didn't show up today?
Not committed.
Not committed.
Not committed to the championship.
Pussies.
Yeah.
Big sissy pussies. Okay, stay cool, guys. I'm going to talk to Jacob Longenecker right now. Jacob, how are you doing tonight?
Good.
Are you ready for tonight's race?
Yep.
What have you been doing to prepare for tonight's race and all this heat? You been practicing a lot?
Yep.
I noticed that you were here, I think, last night, wasn't he, Paul?
We were here last night.
They were here last night. It was like 110. I mean, I got the thermometer over there on the fence. It's 101 right now. So you're ready. You don't care how hot it is. You don't care that your friends stayed home and are a bunch of sissies. Fist pump. Good for you. Make it happen, okay? You be safe. Thanks, Jacob.
And then you're going to come around the oval.
So you ready?
Zachary and Jackson, who will it
You are?
be?
I'm Scott.
I'm Ryan.
How you doing, Ryan?
Good.
So you ready for tonight?
Yeah.
You've been practicing? Okay, we're going to be watching you.
Okay.
You have a good, safe race, okay, Ryan?
Okay.
Bye-bye. I see Richie Underwood in front of me. Richie, what are you doing to stay cool today on this hot day?
Oh, hot water.
Hot water. So what do you got to say to all of our fellow competitors that did not show up today? Any words for them?
Missing out.
Missing out?
It's only 107 today. This is nothing.
Well, I put my thermometer over there at the, as you enter the track. It was 115 right there.
That's nothing.
Nothing.
That's
So
like that
those
hot
of you,
water.
those of you that didn't show up, Richie and I think you're a bunch of sissies. Thanks, Richie.
Thank you.
Now we're going to go talk to Father Murphy.
Hey, hey, hey.
Father Murphy, tell us, what are you
Yes.
doing to stay cool today?
Oh, standing in front of the swamp cooler right here as much as possible.
This is an awesome tent you got there. So, yeah, we figured we'd talk to you. How many karts you guys got on the grid today?
Oh, geez. 2, 4, 6. Just 6, apparently.
Anybody new today?
Not new, but Oliver came back out. He took a
Okay.
small hiatus. The usual, we got Nathan, we got Coop, Bailey. Bailey, that's unusual for him to be racing today. There you go.
Bailey's going to race today.
Yes.
What class?
206.
206
Yeah,
seniors.
senior.
Good luck to you,
Yeah.
Bailey. Thanks for talking to us.
Yeah.
Talk to you soon. Okay, the sun's gone down. How is it now?
It's only really hot now.
See, I'm not feeling it now, so it is what it is. You doing okay? This is my friend Helmar. He used to race here, what, about 5-6 years ago?
Yeah.
And now your grandson is racing, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this is the grandson's cart. So glad to see you out here. You're looking really good.
Thank you very much.
You're good. Talk to you soon.
Masters B grid.
These are all the go-karts being serviced, tacked, and prepped at Innovative Karting. Innovative Karting for all your karting solutions. Well, the heat race was just totally unacceptable. The best I could do was still 6th place. It's just like this thing is stuck in the mud. Not sure what I'm going to do for the main event, but I'm going to try something different. And up next is the main event. Parker DeLong, you had quite a race tonight.
Yeah.
Where'd you start in the main event?
Main event, I started last.
You started last in the main event.
Yeah.
I think there was 12 carts.
Yeah.
Where'd you end up?
First.
What have I been telling everybody? This young man right here, Parker DeLong, he can drive. He can drive good. He started last place tonight in the main event. LO206. Was it Junior 1?
2.
Okay, I apologize. LO206, Junior 2.
Against 16-year-olds.
Against a lot of 16-year-olds. And what, you're 10?
Yeah.
Be watching for this young man in the future. He's going to go places. Congratulations to you, Parker.
Thank you.
You're quite the driver.